The 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, affectionately known as Herbie, stands as one of the most beloved cars in both automotive and pop culture history. While the Beetle had been around for decades by 1963, it had already cemented its reputation as a reliable, practical, and enduring vehicle. Originally conceived as the Volkswagen Type 1 in 1933 in Germany, the Beetle was designed for simplicity, affordability, and robustness. Its unique rounded silhouette, compact size, and clever engineering allowed it to survive the test of time and become a global phenomenon. Herbie, the anthropomorphized beetle immortalized by Disney, first appeared in the 1968 film The Love Bug, starring Dean Jones. This film turned a simple vehicle into a character with personality, charm, and even a sense of mischief. The iconic racing number 53, along with the red, white, and blue racing stripes, became instantly recognizable around the world. While Herbie is famous as a movie star, the car itself embodies the ingenious engineering of Volkswagen, and its popularity helped cement the Beetle as a symbol of innovation, reliability, and quirky charm.
All right, here's our Herbie. The interior is a total
Here is completely rusted through.
Technically, the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle is powered by a rear-mounted, air-cooled, flat-4 engine, delivering approximately 40 horsepower. This engine, though modest by modern standards, was revolutionary in its simplicity and durability.
Removing the original carpet reveals the unfortunate truth of this 63 Beetle. The floor pan has severe corrosion.
The Beetle's rear-wheel drive layout and torsion bar suspension allowed for a smooth, comfortable ride, surprising for such a small car. Its lightweight body and efficient engine made it an ideal choice for drivers seeking economical, reliable transportation in the post-war era.
The corrosion is extensive, and we're seeing significant oil leakage around the seals.
Even today, these mechanical components are admired for their ease of maintenance and longevity, which is why so many vintage Beetles survive in drivable condition decades later. The exterior of the 1963 Beetle is unmistakable. Its rounded fenders, arched roofline, and compact footprint create a friendly and approachable appearance. Despite its small size, Volkswagen engineers cleverly maximized the interior space, allowing the car to comfortably seat 4 people, 2 in the front and a rear bench for 2 passengers. The interior was simple yet functional, featuring a classic dashboard, circular speedometer, minimalistic controls, and durable materials designed to withstand years of use. This combination of simplicity and practicality became a hallmark of the Beetle, making it not only a functional car, but also an enduring cultural icon. Beyond engineering, the Beetle became a symbol of social and cultural movements, particularly during the 1960s. It was embraced by young drivers, artists, and counterculture communities worldwide. Its affordability, quirky styling, and practicality made it accessible, while its mechanical reliability made it trustworthy for long journeys. Herbie, as a character, amplified this significance, turning an ordinary car into a cinematic and cultural legend. People not only admired the Beetle for its utility, but also celebrated it as a vehicle of personality, nostalgia, and fun. Restoring a 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Herbie is both a technical challenge and an artistic endeavor. The process begins with bodywork, often dealing with decades of rust, dents, and wear. Every panel, from fenders to roof, must be repaired or replaced carefully to preserve the car's original proportions. Rust removal, sanding, priming, and painting are essential steps, ensuring the car's body is smooth, shiny, and structurally sound. Once the exterior is restored, attention shifts to the mechanical components. This includes the wheel shafts, brakes, suspension, steering column, and drivetrain, all of which must function perfectly to bring the car back to life. Many of these parts are remarkably approachable for restorers, with simple designs that do not require specialized modern tools. The interior restoration is equally meticulous. Seats, dashboard, pedals, and trim must all be repaired or replaced to match the original specifications. Details such as stitching, trim panels, and the classic steering wheel are important for authenticity. The process often includes soundproofing, carpet installation, and careful assembly of the dashboard instruments. These interior details not only preserve historical accuracy, but also enhance the cinematic appeal of Herbie when filmed, especially in high-definition POV or ASMR-style sequences. The restored Beetle Herbie is a testament to engineering excellence and aesthetic beauty. Shiny body panels, polished chrome bumpers, iconic wheels, and racing stripes capture the car's essence perfectly. Cinematic filming often emphasizes these details: slow-motion shots of wheels spinning, close-ups of chrome reflections, and POV sequences highlighting the interior craftsmanship. These visual elements make the restoration story as compelling as the car itself. Herbie's cultural impact extends beyond its design and mechanics. The car represents nostalgia, storytelling, and engineering ingenuity. For collectors, it is a piece of history. For enthusiasts, a hands-on engineering project. And for general audiences, a symbol of fun, charm, and cinematic magic. Every restored Beetle carries the legacy of Volkswagen's original philosophy, a car that is reliable, simple, and timeless. Driving the 1963 Beetle is a unique experience. Its manual gearbox, responsive yet gentle steering, and lightweight chassis provide a driving feel unlike modern vehicles. The air-cooled engine's distinct hum, combined with the minimalist dashboard and analog gauges, evokes a sense of connection between driver and machine. Whether cruising slowly on a country road or showcased in a cinematic POV sequence, the Beetle remains a deeply satisfying car to operate. Restoring Herbie also allows enthusiasts to experience automotive history firsthand. Every curve, every chrome accent, and every interior detail tells a story of post-war innovation, cultural transformation, and Volkswagen's commitment to enduring engineering. Filming these restorations in high-definition ASMR style or cinematic sequences emphasizes the craftsmanship and care involved, from sanding and painting to assembling every bolt, pedal, and mirrored. In conclusion, the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Herbie is more than a car. It is an engineering marvel, a cultural icon, and a cinematic legend. Its reliability, unique design, memorable personality, and historical significance make it a vehicle worth preserving, celebrating, and sharing with new generations. From derelict, rusted cars and abandoned lots to fully restored showroom-ready beauties, Herbie embodies the enduring appeal of Volkswagen's design philosophy. Whether seen on screen, in museums, or on the road, this iconic Beetle continues to captivate, inspire, and delight audiences around the world.